Welcome back. Now, development in Delhi as far as coronavirus situation is concerned. Yesterday, the Lieutenant Governor rolled back the earlier order which he had made on mandatory institutional quarantine, essentially saying that there will be no requirement for a mandatory 5-day institutional quarantine for COVID positive patients anymore. This came off after 2 rounds of meetings in Delhi with the Delhi government on Saturday. Now, as per the new order, only those COVID patients who do not require hospitalization and don't have adequate facilities for home isolation will undergo the institutional isolation, and physical assessment will also be done whether adequate facilities for home isolation like minimum 2 rooms and separate toilet exists in the patient's house. Along with that, another important announcement which also came in yesterday was about cutting the rate of capping the rate of treatment in private COVID beds in the national capital. Delhi will now have 60% of private hospital beds at lower prices as opposed to the central government's earlier directive of 24% private hospital beds treatment rates being capped. So these are 2 important developments which have taken place in Delhi as far as managing the COVID crisis is concerned. I'm joined by my colleague Ayushman. Ayushman, so there was still a lot of confusion about whether or not who's going into institutional quarantine, but yesterday's Delhi LG order seems to have made that pretty clear.
Yes, Tanima, in fact, what happened that making the institutional quarantine mandatory was vehemently opposed by the Delhi government. They said that not just this will increase the load of beds in the national capital, but also people will resist testing. And as a result of that, we saw after the SDMA's meeting yesterday, the decision was withdrawn. But one condition is still there, Tanima. People who don't need the hospital after the identification of symptoms, if they don't need the hospital treatment, and if they don't have the beds facility proper in their home for isolation, that means they must have 2 rooms and also separate toilet. If they don't have that, they will be sent in institutional quarantine. This is what is the LG's order says, Tanima.
Right, Ayushman will of course have to hoping that the central the LG Delhi LG as well as the Delhi government work together in terms of handling the crisis in the national capital. Thank you so much for joining us with that update.